Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to claim free ad credit from Google Ads. This is a fantastic way to kickstart your advertising campaigns without spending your own money upfront, giving you a chance to test out Google's advertising platform and reach potential customers effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the search bar at the center of your screen. In that search bar, type in Google Ads free credit and hit enter. This search query will pull up various results related to promotional offers that Google currently has available for new advertisers or those looking to expand their reach with bonus credits. Now, take a look at the search results that appear. You'll notice among them a sponsored result, which typically shows up at the very top of the page. This particular result will have the title Unlock Your Ads Credit Today, and it links directly to Google's Ads promotion page. Go ahead and click on that link. This is Google's official landing page where they showcase their current promotional offers, so you can trust that you're in the right place to claim legitimate ad credits. Once you've clicked through, you'll land on the Google Ads promotion page. Here, you'll want to scroll down a bit to view the full sign-up offer details. As you scroll, you'll see information about the promotional credits available, along with the terms and conditions that apply. Keep scrolling until you spot the section displaying the packages. There are typically 3 different packages to choose from, each offering varying amounts of ad credit based on your spending commitment. Take a moment to review these options carefully and select the package that best aligns with your advertising goals and budget. After you've made your selection, click on the Claim Now button. This action will initiate the process of applying the promotional credit to your account. If you already have a Google Ads account and you're currently logged in on your browser, you'll be directed straight to your Google Ads dashboard. This seamless transition means you're all set to start using your credit right away. However, if you're not logged in or you don't yet have an account, the system will prompt you to either sign in with your existing credentials or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in or account creation process. Once that's done, the free ad credit will be automatically applied to your account, and you'll be ready to launch your first campaign or boost an existing one. And there you have it. You've successfully claimed your free ad credit from Google Ads, giving you a head start on reaching your target audience without the initial financial investment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.